Politics, in fact, continues over flood finance relief. In fact, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has reached the flood-affected Thoothukudi area where she held a review meeting with the district administration and will be visiting the flood-affected areas as well. Now, Stalin Jr. has hit out the finance minister and said that the Tamil Nadu government had urged the centre to declare a calamity of severe nature in the affected districts. Remember, the finance minister had said it can't be declared a national calamity, he said, and added that she actually failed to take into account the impact of the calamity, concerns and sufferings of the affected people. Meanwhile, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman launched a scathing attack on the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin for what she says prioritizing the India Alliance meeting over handling the unprecedented flood situation in Tamil Nadu.
அதே மாண்புமிகு முதலமைச்சர் இங்கிருந்து நாங்க அனுப்பிட்டு இருக்கோம் என்டிஆர்எஃப். முதலமைச்சர் ஐயா இங்க இருந்தாருங்க. ஏன் 4 மாவட்டத்துல எப்பொழுதும் காணாத வரலாறு காணாத மழை மக்கள் திணறிட்டு இருக்காங்க. மத்திய அரசே எனக்கு என்டிஆர்எஃப் கொடுத்து அனுப்பு, நானும் அங்க இருந்து நான் நிவாரண பணியை பார்ப்பேன்னு சொல்லாம டெல்லியில இருந்தாருங்க. இன்னைக்கு ஒரு 4 நாள் கழிச்சு போய் திருநெல்வேலியில 3 நாள் கழிச்சு போய் திருநெல்வேலியில் நின்னுகிட்டு அவர் பேசுறாருன்னா நாங்க கேட்டுக்கிறோம், அது மரியாதை கொடுத்து கேட்டுக்கிறோம்.
சொல்றத தேவையில்லாம அரசியல் பேச வேணாம். அவங்க பேரிடரே இல்லைன்னாங்க, இருக்குன்னோம். நாளைக்கு அவங்க பார்க்க வராங்க, பார்த்துட்டு அவங்களே பார்த்துட்டு தகுந்த நடவடிக்கை எடுப்பாங்க. நேற்று ஒன்றிய பிரதமர் மாண்பு முதலமைச்சர் தொலைபேசியில் அழைச்சு தேவையான உதவியை கொடுப்பேன்னு சொல்லியிருக்கிறாங்க. முதலமைச்சர் வேண்டுகோள் வச்சிருக்கிறாங்க. அதனால அவங்க பார்த்து ஆய்வு செஞ்சுட்டு கண்டிப்பா தகுந்த நிவாரண தொகை அளிப்பாங்க நான் நம்புறோம்.
Now has more details on that story. Shilpa, the politics of this aside for a moment, give us a sense of the kind of relief that is coming the way of the people who've been affected by the floods, given that the finance minister herself is in Tamil Nadu today.
Well, yes, Neha. In fact, if we speak about the situation in South Tamil Nadu, yes, the flood water has receded in many places, but the extent of damage that this floods have caused, it's very, very, it's very difficult, and it will take a long time for the relief and restoration work to be carried out, and that is the reason why South Tamil Nadu, of course, needs the assistance from the state government and the central government. The state government, of course, has already announced that people in Thoothukudi and Tirunelveli who were affected by floods, each family will get a financial assistance of rupees 6,000. Now, this is the state government giving this. State government has also sought more funds from the centre, of course, because there's been extensive damages in Thoothukudi and Tirunelveli due to the floods. So they have sought extra financial assistance from the NDRF funds from the centre. However, the state government, the DMK government, accuses the centre of not giving any financial assistance despite the fact that Tamil Nadu has seen back-to-back floods. One, of course, was Chennai and its neighbouring districts, and second, the floods in South Tamil Nadu. So that is the reason why, we saw the DMK launching a campaign on social media platforms as well, wherein they said, where they used this hashtag, our taxes, our rights, which means that, Tamil Nadu is contributing a lot to the tax pool, and therefore the central government should help out the state in this time of crisis by giving them the funds that they deserve, that they are entitled to. And it is in this backdrop and it is in this context of this political war of words that Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is visiting Thoothukudi. She was, of course, deputed by the Prime Minister to visit flood-affected areas in Thoothukudi to take stock of the situation, to interact with the officials, the district officials, and, of course, a central team will also be submitting a report to the government, to the union government. After assessing the situation on ground, they will be giving a report, is what we're being told.
Okay, I'm going to thank you, Shilpa Nair, getting us those details from Chennai as far as the assessment of the situation on ground zero is concerned.